How do we prepare and handle the material that's going into the well? Well, the coal itself, of course, would be crushed and also pulverized to a certain extent. That is, made almost into a powder. It would be mixed with water and then, of course, simply pumped into the top of the well. The speed would have to be somewhat controlled so that the water doesn't flow down the well slower than the product would want to sink. But that's just a matter of sizing. That's not a particularly big problem. And likewise, with the reactor at the bottom, the flow into it would have to be sufficient to keep the material stirred up, so that as it goes into the supercritical state, it will then dissolve. Well, of course, in solution, there's no longer a problem with the coal itself, although there is an inert fraction to the coal. And that's why it would have to be kept stirred up so that the inert material, the clays and other things that are in there, won't settle out. You don't want that to happen. And so you need enough of a downflow and enough of an upflow to carry everything, not just the product that we're interested in, but also the waste products, the inert solids and so forth, up out of the pipe into a collection tank or into a system of ceramic filters. And it's fairly standard procedures from the point of the reactor back to the surface and into presumably a refining operation of some sort.